Machadere, Hamma, 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 yeah, Hamma, 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 Hamma.
Just sounding like a wow.
Dire, Machadere, Hamma, 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 Hamma.
Together.
प्यार तो ओ मारिया प्यारी हो
Remix is good.
ओ मारिया You just wanna go that way. Tell me what you gotta say.
Yet another event for this year, and again you see there's thousands of people here. Let's see what we can get them to say. We got breaks.
He convinced me to come. It's such a large scale event.
I can tell you all are good fans. I mean, not good fans. Everyone's a good fan.
Yeah.
I can tell you all are hardcore fans because you said Godgoda TV.
Yeah.
Very few people know that. That's good. Keep it up. How's your experience at Goa Day today?
It was good. It was really good.
Look at the people, it's
yeah,
crazy.
the crowd was just
Yeah?
crazy.
Yeah, that's the best part, meeting everyone. Just
Really understanding how much people have come here to listen to music is amazing. Yeah.
Can we get a manager in here as well?
Yes.
Your
please.
manager never comes out anywhere. Come on.
Words out.
Come on.
words out.
How are you doing today?
Very well, very well. Thank
How
you.
was your experience at Goa Day?
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yes?
Yes.
A lot of love from people?
A lot of love from a lot, really far away.
Yeah.
That was so nice to see. We had like a lot of Mangalorean people. I'm sure Goan and everybody else who have traveled really, really far just to make it here, just to watch it. It's so nice. Thank you guys so much.
There's a group of people, I think about 20 people who rented a bus and drove from Nottingham to here.
From Nottingham. I've got one further. Somebody told me they came from Cornwall, which is like 5 hours away
wow.
from here. His wife is Mangalorean, so she dragged him. And we know they're a hardcore fan because they said Godgoda TV. They just didn't say Godgoda. So, you want to give a shout out to them? Say thanks for coming all the way.
Thank you for coming from Cornwall.
Okay.
Cornwall is
So,
a beautiful place. So if we come there, we'll probably stay at your place.
where's your next event? Come on.
Reading, 8th of August. We have something super special planned for that day. So.
Super special.
Yeah, that is a show not to be missed.
Yes.
As are all our shows, but that one's gonna be special.
So, all the best, guys. It's been lovely catching you all again. And hopefully, I catch you all in the crowd somewhere if you want to go around. Let's see.
Ignatius Martin.
Ignatius Martin. Very nice. Where do you live here in UK?
I live in Hounslow. I'm from Mumbai. But Goa has given a lot of love to me, and I wish all the Goans. How do you say in Goa?
Dio bore koru. Dio bore koru.
Dev bare karu.
Thank
God
you.
bless.
Thank you. Perfect. That's exactly what it is. We can ask some questions from some unsuspecting people at the festival. Hello. कैसे आहे तुम्ही?
बरे हा एकदम बरे हा
गुड मॉर्निंग.
होय गुड
कोणाचं पाहिलंय तुम्ही आज?
आयज आमी गोवाड्याक येयले बरे उमेदीन येयलेले
होय.
गोवाडे पळयताले म्हूण पूण तो बियर घेतालो म्हणल्यार बडवायजर बियर घेयले बट बियर ती 3.4 बियर which have less alcohol which we are not really happy and they are charging for £5 for each beer really not happy बडवायजर म्हूण बियर पिवपाक वयता ऑन आसूंक जाय कॅमेरा जे हो व्हिडिओ हांवूय पळयतलो कळ्ळें ना
Okay, sir. Okay, no problem. Side of it.
I'm really happy to come here.
Yeah.
And
No, I
very
understand.
nice,
Yeah.
nowadays.
Don't worry. We'll try and
come
Yeah.
to enjoy here.
Yeah.
For what?
Yeah, I know, but
People
to
are
enjoy.
spending so much money,
Sarkar.
so much tickets and all. And if we are not getting what we want, it's not fair.
Oh, hello. How are you? We meet you once again. How's Portugal?
Portugal was amazing. Thank you.
How are you? I'm good. Thank you. You were saying how Portugal was?
It was amazing. We had lots of bacalhau, different types of fish, swam in the ocean, went under waterfalls, did everything we could.
Your stories looked beautiful. You know, all the pictures you put in your stories, everything looked beautiful. How was your experience in Portugal?
You can see my tan, you can tell. One of the best holidays, I think it was.
Did you all come back just in time for Goa Day?
Just in time, actually, yeah. I came back, just in time.
Are you all here to see someone special?
Yeah, we're here to see all the artists, really. But I've not seen Remo for a very long time.
Yeah.
And I'm looking forward to see him today.
Yeah, perfect. Would you like to say something to our viewers?
Absolutely. Watch Amsawado, support Goa pages, spread the love.
Thank you. Anything from you as well?
keep doing what you're doing. You're doing such great work, and yeah, keep following, I guess.
Thank you very much, Adorable. Always lovely to meet you. And thank you, Imtiaz, as well. Nice to meet you always. Come on. Yare. MC Rochelle.
Oh, hi!
Hi, how are you? I'm so oh, nice to meet you. Thank you. Okay.
Because the machine is not scared of mic, so
I know. That's why she's here. He left. Go down low. Go down low.
The mic is bread and butter. So yeah, we're not
That's
scared.
right. Never run away from the mic, yeah?
Never. Our bread and butter.
Exactly. Zaile Mure. What do you think? How many oh, we have Pam here. Pam is enjoying. Pam has come to the beach today.
Yes, I am.
How are you doing, Pam?
I am doing good, and after looking at you, very good.
Thank you very much. So, that's your mom, I believe.
That's my mom,
Yeah.
How are you doing, auntie?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. How are you
Enjoying.
enjoying Goa Day?
Yes.
You guys, and I'm sorry, I've never met you before.
Yeah. Hello.
Louise auntie.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. And y'all are here for somebody
My very good friend from Swindon.
from Swindon. What's your name?
Danza.
Danza. Nice to meet you, Danza.
Same here.
And y'all are here to meet and see anyone special?
Remo, of course.
You're here for Remo?
Of course.
Remo should be up in no time now.
Yes, so I'm just waiting for him.
He's next, yeah? So don't sit on your chairs when he's up. You have to come right in front.
But I won't see you because I don't want you to copy my moves.
You won't see me, but I will see you. Don't worry. I spot people from far.
Spotify.
Chalo, it's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Don't worry. Thank you.
All the best for Hamza.
Thank you very much.
My
Thank you.
mom follows everything.
Thank you. I'm glad she does. And please comment also and share with your friends. Thank you. You all have a good time. Take care. Bye. आमचा वाडो तुवें आमचा वाडो मुडा एक सांग तूं म्हाका तूंच वाड कितें
म्हजो वाडो वेली
वेली गांव जात मरे वाड कितें
वाडो कुर्साबाट कॉमेडियन सेल्वी म्हजो नेबर
कॉमेडियन
लेट कॉमेडियन सेल्वी आणि ताचो चेडो मायरन ते आमचे नेबर
What's your name?
माय नेम इज सॅनफर्ड फर्नांडीस.
Sanford Fernandez. Melbourne, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I watch your program
Thank you.
on YouTube. I do follow you.
Thank you. And everybody is here with you.
This is my family.
Maybe we can.
This is my son, my father-in-law.
Okay. आमचा वाडो. Just maybe.
आमचो वाडो.
Yay! Thank you. Hello. Give me a 5. Yay! Thank you. Nice to meet you guys. Take care. Thank you.
Let there be love. Mogasu.
Mogasu. कैसा हो तुम आज?
All good.
Yeah. How's Goa Day going so far?
Lovely people. Everyone is good over here. Enjoyable crowd. And we are having a great time as well.
Okay.
What about
Perfect.
you?
We are having a good time. We just came. Late अभी.
Let the people know.
Sorry.
We have all the beers very cheaper price. Cheaper than Tesco's and cheaper than Costco's as well.
Cheaper than Tesco and cheaper
Cheaper
than
than-
Costco. आम
Yeah.
कोण मेळा मारोगा हुई तक डाटा हिंगा.
Oh, take that.
What do I say? Who to meet?
Tell him Alton.
Alton.
Yeah, I'm Alton over here.
सांगो ते का वचोन आता.
Yeah, just tell him to meet me for here. Thank you, Mogasu boys.
Daily vlogger येलो हिंगा. Daily vlogger. Mercy, I'm good.
Nice meeting you.
अच्छा कॅमेरा माल्याचोय कॅमेरा चढो हाटल्या निशी.
Nice meeting you guys. आमगे chilling घालतालो थिंगा.
बिहाइंड द बार हे सगळ्या आय साब हे 12 हात हिंगा. आय साब 12 हात हिंगा. तीच पोंदा घाल मुस्ते. We are good. How are you?
We are good. How are you enjoying Goa Day?
Enjoy
I'm
कोताय.
questioning you. तू सगळे असत ना.
Enjoy कोताय. अच्छा एक सांग. I never asked you all till today.
Yeah.
What's your वाडो?
My vada is Malwara in Agasaim.
And Mercy's.
Mine is Batora, and we call it Batora. I'm from Kurtorin, but Amgelo Wado Batora, and Anek Wado Hamgelo called Bind Bazar.
Bind Bazar.
Oh, Bind Bazar.
किती जाण बिंडी इकताले थिंगा?
थिंगा खंय बिंडा एक थोडो धाकटोसो बाजार आहलो आसतलो कित तरी ना जाल्यार तेका लागून गायला आसतले बिंड बाजार म्हणून एक्चुअली थिंगा बिंड जाताली खंय बिंडा सो दॅट्स व्हाय दे कॉल बिंड बाजार सो गायज आमगेले कुटोरकार कोण चोयताय जाल्यार चोय आमगेलो बिंड बाजार खंय पावलो आयज आणि बातोरा बोर्ड आणि कुडतोरी वन फेमस गाय
We are looking forward to see Remo. We saw Godgodo as well for the first time.
Oh, that's good.
Yes, yeah. So
गडगडो रेडी हुई आहे 8 तारखे येवाय तुम्ही.
yes.
आणि मेन थिंग म्हणटा ते आयज हांव खूद आमी एन्जॉय जावपायला नॉर्मली आय कॅप्चर एवरीथिंग बट दिस टाइम
I'm missing your.
This time-
That's why she's there.
this time we are enjoying only for our subscribers.
Okay, so if you, I am also subscriber more. Again to me. Okay.
Viva Goa!
Goa Day 2026.
I visited Goa and I really loved the place. It was beautiful and every day I'm thinking about Goa and I'm happy to be here at the Goan Festival.
आमचो वाडो
कारण Aldona.
कारोना आल्दोना
Of course.
वाडो आल्दोना कारोना कैसा हो तू
Good.
I can see you have VS Skaters.
Our stall number 25.
What's your name?
Kenneth Fernandez. Viva Goa!
Testing after your event.
Yeah, we are trying to gather energy back.
इव्हेंटा उपरा रिकवर झालो अजून रिकवर जाता आणि तू दुसरा इव्हेंट आयला आता आणि एज रिकवरी केदो मागीर
The idea is we need to support each and everyone. When it comes to winter, we don't get anything here.
Yeah.
Only the summertime we get a lot. We can enjoy ourselves. Viva Goa!
Maybe next year you all will be here as well.
Hopefully.
So people can come here for the offers.
Exactly.
You'll have similar offers next year.
Yes, we think so. But let's see. Maybe even better.
Okay. How does it feel coming back from Goa today?
Today it was very pleasant, but we had a quite delay for 2 hours.
The pop of Indian pop.
Remo!
So you want to marry my sweet daughter Mary with your cassette and your TV. Let me tell you, you're making me laugh. If you think that is enough to get my sweet Mary, you have to become a minister G and get a cot in Purbury. Oh, and a Mary, it could be nice rice and curry. Thank you very much. Now I'd like to invite my band up on stage, the Microwave Papadums. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Kona agasor poi kona
Today I'd like to dedicate it to a fellow Beatle fan who's here tonight.
Mr. Afonso.
So Siddharth, how are you feeling today?
Amazing. This is honestly electrifying. Way better than I imagined. But yeah, Remo, isn't he? Amazing.
Are you happy to see Remo?
Very much happy, and it's really great to see him again on stage.
Any message you want to give Remo? Despite his health problems, he's still here to perform for us.
Yes, we love him and we would want to see him performing more.
All right, thank you.
And I know you won't, I know you'll stay, and I will leave it in Judgment Day.
What do you have to say? You have seen Remo in your life as a musical. What do you have to say for your musical journey?
I don't know if anybody knows this, but Remo is actually playing my guitar out there.
Oh, okay.
The acoustic guitar is mine.
So that's going to be something really special.
And that's a big blessing for me. Grateful for Remo Fernandez to come out here and perform for the UK Goans.
Love Remo. I do. Truly. I hope he doesn't. If he says retiring, I hope he doesn't do that. That would be sad. He's a legend. Yeah. There can never be another Remo. That's it.
Favorite Remo song?
Travis Scott, Fiend.
Favorite Remo song? Remo song?
I heard rapper's song.
Fiend. Fiend is his favorite Remo song.
Favorite Remo song? Okay, favorite Remo song I would say is Undra Muja Mama. It's my most favorite.
Okay. So you know Remo's quite stylish at the past. You have seen all his dressing style and on. Any particular dressing style you like?
I like his hair. Right, so that's it.
I like his entire look. It's very bohemian, kind of very easygoing. Yeah, not Rhapsody, but
Very boho chic kind of look he has. I really like that.
This might be his last performance, as they have said. So what do you have to say for him?
I think that's what determines who a musician is. You know, if with all these health problems, if he can still come out on stage and perform for his people, that's what is amazing. So I would say hats off, amazing, and we're so glad to be part of his last show, I think. Yeah.
गोरेगाल के दिए होड़ में यार हीरा होड़े सब प्यार में दी रात में प्यार बन गए कदम न हो सनम प्यार का मौसम चाहत बढ़ती रहे हम्मा 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 एक हो गए हम पर दूर कौन जाएंगे तेरे खन की पायल मस्ती में जो कंगार बन तेरे हम्मा 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 ये हम्मा 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 ये पहली बार मिले तुम पे जब ये निकले तुम पे ये जवानी दी Shibli bam bam bam, shibli bam bam bam, shibli bam bam bam, shibli bam bam bam, shibli bam bam. Mama, 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 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
How many questions?
Just a couple.
A couple means 2.
Yes.
Okay, 2. Number 1.
Number 1. First of all, not a question. Thank you very much for your time. And
My
thank you
pleasure.
for agreeing.
My pleasure.
First question for you is, how was your experience at Goa Day?
My experience at Goa Day was fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. What an audience, man. You know, this is the first show that I've done sitting down on a chair, and I never expected this kind of a reaction. And it was so fantastic.
Okay. Second question I would like to ask you. You said you had health complications.
Yeah.
So what motivated you to still come out in the open and perform in front of your...
I explained it.
Yes.
Number 1, this man. Can you tilt the camera towards him, please? This is Ravi Vaz,
That side.
the president of the GOA. He was very nice to invite me. He was nice enough to invite me for the second time, although last year I could not make it. Number 1. And the second reason is, I don't know why, but I always wanted to perform for the London Goans.
Okay.
I don't know why. You know, maybe it was written in my destiny that I would meet my soulmate tonight, and maybe Sally is the one. But she's already married. What to do? Anyway.
Thank you very much, Remo. I keep my promise. I said 2 and I'll ask you only 2 questions.
Thank you very
And I really appreciate you giving us your time. Thank you very
Baba.
much.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Humma, 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 yeah, humma, 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 humma. एक बोले humma तुम तो उड़ जाएगी तेरे और खन की पायल मस्ती में तो कंगान कन के रे humma, 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 yeah, humma, 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 humma. ये पहली बार मिले लो मिलके भी निकले तुम पहले तुम्हारी धीरे धीरे बात रे हम्मा 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 हम्मा.
Really satisfied with a fantastic audience, and the fact this has been our Diamond Jubilee year, and to have a show like this is something you can only plan for, but what happens on the day is for everybody to see. And today, after years of planning with Remo and 7 bands, and it's still not over, it's going on till 10 o'clock, and you can see the crowd still there, hungry for more. I believe that everything happens for the best. Last year was not a Diamond Jubilee year, and it was destined that it coincided Remo's presence in a Diamond Jubilee year. So what bigger thing can you ever expect than a Diamond Jubilee year, a Remo's final performance?
So a blessing in disguise.
It's a blessing, and I always believe in yourself and believe that everything happens for the best.
Okay. Tell me one thing. Why do you even need MCs when you can take all of their jobs?
Good question. Well, now the MCs play a very important role in the old overall coordination. It's not just the amount of the announcements, but also making sure that the acts get on time. And we have been really blessed to have some really good team of MCs. This show wouldn't have not been possible without the team effect of so many people who work behind the scene. Yes, a lot of people see me as the face of the organization and the face that goes in. But besides the acts on the stage, we had support from the Indian consulate, we had support from the Portuguese consulate, and we had support from the local councils and the British government. We all Goans, we need to be all proud. When I say Goin Karansa Ekward, that's the pure magic of Goin Karansa Ekward. Viva Goa, Viva Goin Karpon.
You got Remo this year. You want to give out some secrets and tell us who you have in mind for next year?
Every year gets bigger and better. So hold your breath. I don't want to break the suspense. The date is not a suspense. That's always the first Sunday of August.
What's your vado?
Got on. I'm Kunkolkar. I'm Kunkolkar and I'm Gaonkar. Okay. So, you know, they always say Kunkolkar, the blood runs from within. Okay. I'm going Goinkar Bitul Sana.
Can you sing?
Oh, Mary Money, 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 baby. Oh, Mary Money, 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 baby.
माना बुर्रा तेरा दिल रंगीन मम्मी परेशान तू है बस तकीन ओ मेरी मुन्नी 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 बेबी ओ मेरी मुन्नी 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 बेबी शगला चुम्मा Money, money, baby. Oh, Mary Money. Money, money, baby. Say like you want. Money, money, baby. Oh, Mary Money. Money, money, baby. Say like you want. Oh, Mary Money. Money, money, baby. 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 Thank you very much.
आज आमच्या सांगाता हा
energy.
You want Waterlox's energy?
Waterlox energy.
Oh my God, Waterlox has a different level of energy, man. Come on, where you went?
बिस्कुट खाने
Oh, warm-up करू लागो Okay, so we got Mr. Waterlox 69. Why 69, man?
69.
Last year
So 69 basically is the good thing that you do and that comes back to you. So that's my focus now. So I focus on doing good things, bring smile in people's face, you know.
Okay.
And that in return gives me back as well. So
Achha.
I believe in that.
I ask everybody, what's your vado?
My vado, I'm from Bochebat, Karanzalem, Ponjekar.
Ponchebat?
Borchembat.
कित बता लेती हैं?
ते बोचेंबाट व्हडलें बाट तें एक्चुअली ते
बोनकाळ मुस्ता.
ते एक बाट बोचेंबाट म्हणून तो हा तें बट तेजी हिस्ट्री पळोवंक गेल्यार मागीर हांव एक दीस पॉडकास्टान सांगता तुका.
सांग sure. So how was your experience at Guwahati?
Well, it was truly tremendous seeing Remo. I think it's around 20 years, more than 20 years. We've been listening to his songs and today seeing him live. Awe, काढजाणार की उमेद बाहेर सोडली.
हाय सोहेल तू enjoy कोतालो.
आणि
काय कांतार म्हण.
एक कांतार. Oh Maria Pitashe, ta Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe.
Oh Maria Pitashe. Oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe. Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Albert.
Yes.
And
thank you so much.
Many people might not know his real name is Albert, not Waterlock 69.
Yes.
Stop people! I'm going to
How are you?
Amazing, man.
You can do this better than me or an MC, man.
Man, at this point of time, I will prefer answering questions. The crowd, I must say, every year it just gets better. This year, the energy, oh my God, it was an electrifying moment for all of us, especially for all the artists. When we saw the crowd responding to us in that manner, I must say it's been an amazing experience for us as well.
They went crazy when Maria Pitashe came out.
Oh my God, they didn't go crazy, my friend. They went mental.
How was your performance in Maria Pitashe? What were you doing?
I was dancing on the side.
Come on, show us how you were dancing.
Yeah, sure.
Come on. I'll hold the mic.
Are you going to hold the mic?
Come on. Maria Pitashe.
Oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe,
oh Maria Pitashe,
still gone?
Oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe.
I must say, no, the moment.
Oh shit, I didn't recorded it.
No, that's totally fine. It is all about the vibes, my friend. Even if you're not recording, I must say, the moment that I was standing on stage over there, you just had to stand still and watch him. You don't even have to dance. So amazing. I'm telling you, I had goosebumps. Just sounding like a wow. My Vado is Fal Vado. Narosi in Consalem.
Why is it called Falvado? Any story behind it?
I think we had a lot of Faloda being served over there.
किती झालं रे?
प्यार तो होना ही था.
Come on, sing.
प्यार तो नहीं था.
Yes!
Really? We have not rehearsed that one for today, but
it's okay.
Please sing it for us. Thank you. However you can, please go for it.
Shagadam-pa-pa-dum-bum, shagadam-pa-pa-dum-bum, shagadam-pi-pa-do-dum-dum-dum-dum. Shagadam-pi-pa-do-dum, shagadam-pa-pa-dum-bum, shagadam-pi-pa-do-dum, shagadam-pi-pa-do-dum-dum. प्यार तो होना ही था, प्यार तो होना ही था, प्यार तो होना ही था, प्यार तो होना ही था. Samani Baba, Piparadidu, Lari Dai Dai, Yamanamade, प्यार तो होना ही था, 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 प्यार तो होना ही था. Takayoko pakalo teta, pura gangano no tondo. Takayoko pakalo teta, pura gangano no tondo. Are pakalo pakla soy na kare, chel no bailu randu. Are pakla soy na kare, chel no bailu randu. Ya maya ya, 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 ya maya ya. Parar par, sataylanantu. Parar par, sataylanantu. Parar par, sataylanantu. Parar par, sataylanantu. Ranamada paklangu, paklamada raneaku. Ranamada paklangu, ranamada paklangu. Hey, parar par, sataylanantu. Parar par, sataylanantu. Parar par, sataylanantu. Parar par, sataylanantu. Ya maya ya, 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 ya maya ya. Ya maya ya, 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 ya maya ya. Ya maya ya, last time. Maya ya, maya ya, maya ya,
Let's go, let's go.
Rapariga feminuzina, não se falta ser. Rapariga feminuzina, não se falta ser. Como pera verde menuzinho, não se pode comer. Como pera verde menuzinho, não se pode comer. Oh Maria Pitache, 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 oh Maria Pitache. La porta baixo menuzinho, fico solta. La porta baixo menuzinho, fico solta. Fazer continente menuzinho, baixo e volta. Fazer continente menuzinho, baixo e volta. Olha!
Maria Pitache, Maria Pitache, Maria Pitache.
Yamada bidi bida bada bada buda bidi da bida ido. Yamada bidi bida bada bidi bida bida bidi bida. Yamada bidi bida bada bidi bida 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 bida. Oh Maria Pitache, 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 oh Maria Pitache. Take it away.
Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache. Maria Pitache, Maria Pitache, Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache,
Oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache. We're going to Samgalai. We're going to sing 1, 2, 3. Oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache. Okay, now I want to divide the audience into half. The right side and the left side. I want to hear only the right side first. Let's see who is louder. Only the right side. Are you ready? Only you. 1, 2, 3. Oh
Maria Pitache! Oh Maria Pitache! Oh Maria Pitache! Oh Maria Pitache!
Not bad at all.
Oh Maria Pitache!
Now only the left side. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh
Maria Pitache! Oh Maria Pitache! Oh Maria Pitache! Oh Maria Pitache! Oh Maria Pitache! Oh Maria Pitache!
When we work together. Now I want to hear the left and the right together. 1, 2, 3. Oh Maria. Everybody. Do the drums. 1, 2, 3. Oh Maria.
Oh Maria Pitache! Oh Maria Pitache! Oh Maria
Come on, Lucas. 3, 4. Maria Pitache. Oh Maria Pitache. Oh Maria Pitache.
Oh Maria Pitache!
Oh Maria Pitache.
Oh Maria Pitache! Oh Maria Pitache!
Oh Maria Pitache. Oh
Maria Pitache! Oh Maria Pitache! Oh Maria Pitache! Maria Pitache! Maria Pitache! Oh Maria Pitache! Oh Maria Pitache! Oh Maria Oh Maria Pitache! Oh Maria Pitache! Oh Maria Pitache!
Oh Maria Pitache. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to say a very big thank you and a very special hand for my band. There are only 4 of us. No backing tracks, no sequence stuff, nothing. Everything is live right here. All the voices you hear, all the music you hear is being played live. And for that, I want you to give a big hand to my band, the Microwave Papadums. I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank 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 you. We love you. We love you. We love you. From the bottom of our hearts. Thank you. What a lovely audience you've been. Thank you.
So let's start. So on this show we always start with Amso.
What's
by
your vado?
knowing what's your vado. So what's your vado?
Tilamon. What do you think about Amso Vado? Are they doing a good job?
So far they have been. They do require some improvements here and there, but I think they're doing a good job so far.
Good. वाडो हंस तुझा वाडो हंस
पाळणा
कुडतोरे बातोरा वास्को आणि कोण आहे वास्को जागवाल राया बांदूर बॉयज थँक यू हेलो हाउ आर यू all good.
So we are coming to you. So next time you look at us, you'll just go.
Just run away. How are you feeling today?
Perfect.
Yeah, how's Goa day been so far today?
Perfect.
Enjoyed?
Enjoying with family.
How was Remo's performance?
Very nice.
Yeah?
It was a pleasure watching him.
Pleasure watching him. Okay, ask everyone, what's your vado? What's my? Vado.
Vado?
Yeah.
Meaning?
What's your locality?
For Feltham.
Feltham. There you go. You can say Feltham. Okay, thank you. You have a good day. Say Viva Goa. 1, 2, 3.
Viva Goa. Of course.
Thank you. Chal, yeah. Wait, कौन होता तो होता Come on, dance.
Remo?
How was Remo's performance?
Very excellent.
Yeah?
Yeah, very excellent it was.
Yeah?
I enjoyed every part of it.
Which song did you sing?
Which one?
When Remo was performing, which one did you sing?
I sing the one Hindi one, I can't remember.
Which one? Pyar To Nahi Tha. Pyar To Nahi Tha.
Ah, that was featured in Goa.
Sing.
That's why.
1, 2, 3. Pyar To
Hona hi tha, pyar to hona hi tha.
Vado.
They are from Ambora.
Ambora, where is that?
Close to Lotoli.
The leader of the Hounslow Council and the ex-mayor of Hounslow. How are you guys doing?
All good.
Yes.
Enjoying the evening.
Wonderful. Perfect.
Amazing evening.
Perfect. Let me start with what's your ward?
I'm from Bedford.
And you?
And I'm from Heston.
So, how do you, what do you feel about Goa Day today? How was it?
It's amazing. It's like fun. It's like catered for everyone.
It's been a great day. I love Goa Day every year. I come every single year. It's a massive celebration of our Goan community in Hounslow and across the UK and the contribution they have to our economy, to our well-being, to our place. It's just wonderful to be here.
How many times have you been here, both of you?
I've been coming here from last 4 years, and every year is coming better and better and better.
That's good, yeah.
So I've done about 5 years, and it goes from strength to strength.
Okay. Did you hear Remo's performance?
Yes, I did.
Any song that you knew from what he was singing?
So many songs, but now I can't remember.
Did you know Pyar To Hona Hi Tha?
Pyar To Hona Hi Tha.
You want Pyar To Hona Hi Tha. Pyar To Hona Hi Tha.
The Goan community, we love you. We appreciate everything you do. We appreciate the contribution you have to Hounslow and making it better, and the work that you do with our communities, living in harmony. It is wonderful. We are so grateful to have you here.
Goan community is vibrant and is full of energy, and every year vibes are good, and keep it going.
Viva Goa!
I love this festival. I come here every year just to celebrate Goa Day. It's one of the best experiences I have in life.
Okay, perfect. Would you like to say anything?
Well, this has been like the best party I've had ever because I meet so many of my relatives. So it's like really fun and I love the food.
Thank you. Would you like to
And
say
every Sunday, every day when they have Goa Day, I come here and I do face painting, lots of stuff here.
That's good.
Viva Goa!
तू कसं? Good. कसं केलं तुगे दिस आज?
चड बरो गेला सारको सगळे पळय काबार जाता थोडे तुल्ले आमचे मोल स्पेशल आली
हे 800 बीन तू मेळ्ळाय?
होय काबार हो पळय
गेले सगळे?
होय
होय
फोडून काबार
गुड व्हेरी गुड आणि किती हांगा हे पॅम्पलेट बीन आहे मरे
लॉलीपॉप मेन कोर्स सगळे काबार
गुड व्हेरी गुड जॉब मॅन हुई फ्रॉम तुम्ही वेर आर यू फ्रॉम Upton Park ओके आणि वार्ड हुंच तुमचं गोय वार्ड हुंचो
शितोना किरा पावल
नाइस टू मीट यू मॅन डू यू फॉलो आमचो वाडो
Yes.
You should.
Yes.
You'll find the video on there, man. Thank you.
एक म्हाका सांगू
सांग.
हे तुका हे करपा जाय आमचो वाडो लोकांचा डायरेक्ट क्लिप करपा जाय तुका सांगलो 100 people continuously say
What's your wado?
Yeah, you say what's your wado, like people say कोण कळ्ळ तुका so ते एडिट करपा हे सगळे
We'll get. I'll have to keep the answers in the side.
Yeah, folder कोण दवरपा जाय ते.
Wait, we got some people smiling. Let's ask them. Y'all were smiling from so long. So, what's your wado, guys? Come on, we'll start with you.
Shelly.
What? Shelly, and you? Chinchini. Warka. How was Goa Day today?
Very good.
You as well. You're taking a few steps back. What's your wado? Where are you from? Benaulim. How was the experience at Goa Day today?
Good.
Good? Okay, you tell me, how was it?
It's
very good.
Were you waiting for Remo or for anyone?
Yes.
Any song of Remo that you were singing?
Maria Pitashe.
Maria,
Yeah.
you want to sing a little bit? Oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe.
Oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe.
Thank you. What's your name?
Shwela.
Shwela, nice to meet you. Hunstumi? Hunstumi? Hunstlochi आणि बीबी कितलाची?
15 pound, half kilo.
Half kilo, 15 pound. That's very nice. And homemade, you all make in Hounslow only?
Freshly made, yeah.
Freshly made. That's very nice. I'm really tasty. I'm sorry.
वाड बागबाट
ओके. आणि सायकल घेऊन बोल तू?
होय
पदरापासून?
सायकल 15 पासून भोंवता
मातशें आमकां एक दाखय रे रावंड मारून.
आनी
गेलो पोदेर गेलो. अरे पयस पावलो. ना हिगयो. No. So किती आहे हांगा? हाँ रांदूकर
Out of stock.
रांदूकर out of stock.
It's already over.
रांदूकर हुई मेल तुका. Yeah, you hold the mic. I have my mic.
Gurkha कौन है so? Randukur from Gurkha.
From Gurkha.
He tells me the wife always this week.
Acha, where are you all based?
We are based in Hounslow, Cranford. We are based in Hounslow, Cranford.
Okay. And I see you all at all these festivals. I saw you in Swindon also.
Yeah, this is the first time that we set our business in just any pop-up stalls. I have an Instagram page called poi.bread and you can just message me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Okay. आता आम पोदरा धाडलो भायर तो पावल बाणाले तो बाणाल पावलो.
Yeah, near my house.
God knows where he's gone. He's not come back only. Remoge performance melt to kai.
Very good, yeah, very good.
Which song did you like of his?
Bombay and other one is
Which one? Hindi song. Pyar
Hindi
to
song.
nahi tha.
Yeah,
You have to
exactly.
sing now because you said that you have to sing a little bit. Come on, we together.
No.
Pyar to
Oh Maria, pyari ho.
Remix is good.
Oh Maria.
Good man, good.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you. So what all you have today?
Today we got kingfish, fresh kingfish, tandoori chicken, pork chops, prawns, jumbo masala fry, sarpatel, pulao.
Amge poder potu nailo.
We're going to be doing something very, very special, and I need you all on this with us. If you see up on stage, we have the lead singers of all the band. I'm going to be paying a tribute to the living legend himself, Remo.
Everybody, come on. We gotta make it louder. Come on, one more time. Everybody, come on. Okay, everybody, one last time for the great legend Remo. Let's make some noise together. Sing. Oh Maria Pitashe, 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 oh Maria Pitashe. Last time. Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe.
Music is how I breathe.
When the world steals my air, it is made and curated by a Goan artist. He will always remember this day, this very moment, this final stage that celebrated his legacy. And I think Ravi is going to pay my excess baggage if I'm going to take this to Goa. When you put on this ball, remember the crowd that was there for you and the love that we all have and will continue to have for you. So one final moment. Viva! Viva! Goan Karanso! Goan Karanso! We love you. And over, Remo, would you like to say anything for the crowd for your last one? I want to say, Deo Bare Kurum. I never expected my last show to be like this. This is such a lovely feeling for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you.